Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna explain and show how we can get the elevation from a DEM Lidar map in ArcMap. So let's say for example we have a set of data points in a KMZ file and we need to get and find the elevation for each of these data points. So first we have to find the location of the data points that we are interested in to get the elevation. So my point is located in the state of Arkansas in Ozark. So we can open the ArcMap software and then go to ArcGIS Online and then search for Arkansas DEM. So this is the DEM map with the elevation information for the Arkansas state. So we can just download this map, and the other way is that we can also get the data points in the ArcGIS site. So this is the website for the ArcGIS, and this is the DEM map for the Arkansas state, as you can see. So my point is located in Ozark, so I can just search here for Ozark, Arkansas, or you can just find the location by zooming. So this is the Ozark, and my point is close to Ozark City Lake. So I only need the elevation information for this part. So if I want to download the elevation for this location, I have to click on this arrow and then click on the location that you want to get the elevation and the DEM map, and then you will have three options. Here I'm just gonna use the UTM meters image. So if I click here, so the download will start, as you can see here. Because I already downloaded the data points, so I'm just gonna cancel this download and then open the map in ArcGIS. So this is the data points or the DEM image that I just downloaded from the ArcGIS Online, and now I opened it in ArcMap. So as you can see, this is a map and it has the elevation information for this particular location that I'm interested in. Now we have to open the KMZ file in this on top of this DEM map. In order to do that, so first you have to save these points, the points that you want to get the elevation for, as a KMZ file. So I'm gonna save it as a kmz.zarc, and then after you save that, so now we have to open that here in the ArcMap. In order to do that, just search for KMZ in the search toolbar of the ArcMap, and then open the KML or KMZ to layer conversion. So this tool will create a layer in your ArcMap from your KML or KMZ file. So the input file is gonna be the KMZ file that I just created, and then this is the output file. I'm gonna save it as Ozark, and then click on OK. So as you can see, I added the data points that I'm interested to get the elevation to my DEM or raster map here. So these are the points that I had in the KMZ file, and now I opened it on top of the DEM or raster map. So if you want to check these points, you can just right click here and then open the attribute table. So this is the name for each of the point, and if you check this attribute table, you don't have any elevation information here. So we need to get the elevation information from the raster map that we just downloaded from the ArcGIS. So in order to do that, first you have to go to Customize and then click on Extensions, and then make sure that the Spatial Analysis is on. So you see, for my arc map, the Spatial Analysis is on, and then you can close that, and then you have to go to Geoprocessing and then open the Arc Toolbox. Then you have to go to Spatial Analysis Tools, go to Extraction, and open the tool Extract Values to Points. So my input points are the point that I just created, or the point that I just got from the KMZ file, these points. And my input raster map is the map that I downloaded from the ArcGIS Online, and then I can set the output point features. So I'm gonna save it as Ozark elevation, and then make sure to check these boxes. Okay, I already have this name, so I'm gonna name it as Ozark elevation. Elevation 2. And then click on OK. So as you see, I just created another layer in my arc map, and if I open the attribute table for this layer, you can see that this layer has the information for elevation for each of the points that I just exported from the KMZ file. Now we want to save this point into an Excel file. In order to do that, you can search for Excel in the search toolbar in the ArcMap. So we need to convert the data from the attribute table to Excel. So we can use the table to Excel conversion tool, and for the input, I'm gonna use the layers that I just created with the elevation information, and then you can put the name here. So I'm gonna name it as Ozark elevation final. Then make sure to check these two boxes and then click on OK. So now if I go to the folder that I just created, the Excel file, you can search for that Ozark elevation final. So if I open this Excel file, so in this Excel file you can see this is the name that I got from the KMZ file, and these are the elevations for each of the points that I got from the KMZ file. So using this tool, the ArcMap and also the KMZ file, and also the information that you can download or get from the ArcGIS Online, you can determine the elevation for some particular points or locations that you are interested.